what's up beautiful people, it's Hailey and welcome back to my channel Sahira. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this nail art, so keep on watching. As per usual, before I paint my nails, I'm going to apply this peel off base coat. And I'm going to apply this white gel polish. I'm going to apply 2 coats and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds after each coat. I'm gonna apply this liquid barrier to protect my skin because I'm gonna apply chrome powder next. Right, next I'm gonna apply this Catrice chrome powder. This is my first time using it, so let's see how it goes. Well, this powder is not like any other indie brands out there, but for a drugstore brand I feel it turns out pretty good. I mean, I love it. It looks great. I'm gonna dust off any excess powder and then remove the liquid latex. And I'm gonna apply this gel top coat because I'm doing stamping next. As usual, let's get stamping. I'm gonna use this Nicole Diary L04 and I'm gonna use this purple stamping polish from Born Pretty. I'm gonna stamp this striping image and stamp it on my nails. And after that I'm gonna remove the liquid latex. And I'm gonna finish it off with a gel top coat. And there you have it. This striping nail art is very easy to do. I even add a little heart shape on my middle finger just to light things up. So what you guys think? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more nail art, and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I see you guys soon. Bye.